What's up guys, it's Sabi here again with another new video. In today's video I will tell you that how to find USI number, the one you have with your super funds, and your super ABN number. So all you need to do, there are a lot of different ways to find your USI number. The simplest and easiest way is to go on to ChatGPT and type, can you tell me my USI number? And then you got to type your super fund, where your super funds are, like your superannuation company or whatever. So can you tell me my USI number with my super? So my superannuation company name is my super. If your superannuation funds are with some different company, you type that name there, and then you just click on this key, and then it says I can't look up. Sorry, actually I typed the wrong name. My superannuation company name is Australian Super. If you tell me which super fund you are with, I can give you the exact USI straight away. So it gave me different information here which I don't want to go through right now, but at the end it says, so I did give him a super fund name, and which is Australian Super, and then I click on it. So did you see this, guys? When I gave him an Australian Super name, which is my superannuation fund, it gave me a USI number straight away, which is STA0100AU, and it also gave me the fund ABN number as well, which is this in front of your screen. It is also called. Alright guys, so that's how you can easily find your USI number. I hope you find this video really helpful. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for all the latest videos, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.